guys, on our following videos, I'm going to discuss and give sample problems for computing support reactions with different types of structures. Okay, so let us try solving this problem. From the given beam subjected to the following loads, compute the reaction at B. Number 2, compute the horizontal component of the reaction at A. Number 3, compute the vertical component of the reaction at A. Okay, so ang first na required is to compute the reaction at B, which is RB. Okay. Pero si B, inclined siya with a run of 3 and a rise of 4. So this is RB, which is the first unknown. At A, natay couple or moment na applied 200 kilonewton meter and a uniformly distributed load 25 kilonewton per meter within the 7 meter na length, and 150 kilonewton at an angle 60 at a distance 3 meter from the from point B. Okay, so how do we compute RB? So sum up taog moment at A. Okay, so summation moment at A must be equal to 0 so that the structure, the beam, this structure with the given loads, ma-attain niya ang equilibrium. Okay, so sum up the moment at A para di na to mahilabtan ang mga forces sa A. So what is left for us to compute, or the unknown, is the RB. So moment at RA, we have the 200 kilonewton meter. So pwede na ta dili magbutang for the meantime og ano og units. Pero sa answers na to, it is always required to write the units. So 200 plus sa pamaylaing moments nga same direction, which is clockwise, we have the 25 kilonewton meter. So 25 times the distance 7 meter times the distance pud niya gikan sa point A, which is 3 meter plus half of your 7 meters. Okay, so sa paman, the vertical component of 150 kilonewton can act a moment, no, from point A, but the horizontal component, since collinear siya sa A, so wala yung moment kaya di ba, moment is force times distance. Kung collinear siya at the same line lang siya ang yung horizontal component ni 150, so wala kay distance, only the force. So di na nato, i-neglect na nato si horizontal, but considering the vertical component of the 150 kilonewton. So plus 150, what is the vertical component 150? That is opposite, no? Opposite of 60. That is sine 150 sine 60 times the distance, that is 373. 3 plus 7 plus 3. Is there any other components? Wala na, no? So wala na laing clockwise, equal to counterclockwise sa pamaylaing mga counter. So si RB na lang, but dili na to madiretso si RB since the reaction at B is naka-inclined. So magamit nato diri is ang iyang vertical component RBY, because RBX is collinear sa imuhang point A, in which asa ka nag-sum up og moment. So dili ka maka-consider sa RBX using summation moment at A. So ingani siya, kung mo buhat kag plane, sundugon nimo ang inclination ani na kay sa man okay, so kung magbuhat bug ka og kining coordinates, no, nga mo act horizontal and vertical, kita nato nga si theta, that is 3:4. Okay, so sa maning y na to, this is y, that is y is equal to Pythagorean, no, 3 squared plus 4 squared, so 3, 4, 5 din siya, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So kung nakay 3, 4, 5, kani nga force RB, ang iyang kani nga component, di ba? So ang adjacent angle, that is theta. This is theta. This is also theta, and this one is also theta. So adjacent of the angle, that is 3. So there is 3. And opposite of the angle 4, opposite of the theta is 4. So the ripple is 4. Okay. So if there is 3:5, so si RB, ang kuan RBY natulong siya sa 3. So pinag-summation proportion that if natay 3:5, napud tay RBY is to RB. Okay? Klaro ba? So this is theta, adjacent niya theta. This is 90 minus theta, this one, and this is theta. Opposite po niya theta kani. Para ma-ration proportion na to siya gamit ang katong gihatag nga slope. So if 3:5, we have RBY is to RB. Therefore, RBY makuha na to in terms of the reaction B, that is cross multiplication 3 times RB over 5. So that is 3/5 of RB. Okay, so summation moment at A mo na siya, no, equal to counterclockwise, that is RBY times 16, 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3, this is 10, this is 13, this is 16, so that is 16 meters. Okay, so si RBY atong ibutangan og 3/5 RB. So ang unknown na lang nato ginga mo gawas, that is a reaction at B. Okay, so compute. Let us compute. (200 plus 25, 7, 3 plus 150 times 3 plus 7 plus 3 sin 60. That is 3026 divided by 16. Okay. Divide 16. So RBY times 3/5. So multiplied by 5 divided by 3. So we have 315, no? 315.23 kilonewton. So that is the reaction at B. Okay? Klaro ba? Then for number 2, compute the horizontal component of the reaction at A. So the horizontal component, so since na naka-angle, no, naka-inclined, it is expected na mo resist pud si si RA, si reaction at A horizontally, na siya horizontal component. Since support siya and since mo resist siya, so it must be an opposite direction of the force applied. So kung diri padung ang 150, diri pud padulong si RAX, to mo ni ang unknown RAX. So RAX is equal, summation of forces horizontal equal to 0. Another consideration to meet para in equilibrium siya. So RAX is equal to, is there any other horizontal force na padulong dito? That is the horizontal component of 150 cosine 60 plus RBX. Okay, so napo kay RBX. So si RBX makuha na to by duration proportion. So if we have 4:5, 4 ang in RB, 4 ang ato ang opposite, so that is horizontal. So 4:5 is equal to RBX or RB. Na naman tayo RB nga 315, so 4:5 equal to RBX and 315.23. So natin value sa RBX. So ang imong unknown na lang diri RAX na lang. So by cross multiplication makuha na to 4 times 315.23 divided by 5, that is 252. Okay, 252. So this is 252.18. Therefore RAX is equal to, so 252.18 plus 150 cosine 60. So we have 327.18 kilonewton. Okay, so last, number 3, compute the vertical component of the reaction at A. So the vertical component, that is RAY. So summation forces vertical equal to 0. Na namatay RBY in which sila tanan upward. So RAY plus RBY is equal to downward force, no? 25 times 7 plus downward force also 150 sine 60, opposite of the 60. Okay, so RAY na naman tayo, RBY paliwan eh 3/5. So RBY that is 3/5 of your RB. So you'll just multiply 3/5 sa value sa RB natay 189.14 equal to the downward forces, no, these are the upward forces, the reactions, equal to the downward, that is 25 times 7 plus the vertical component of 150, so 150 sine 60. So ang unknown lang nato is RAY. We have using your calculator, we have the answer 115.77 kilonewton.